Today we're talking about the latest courses from Elite Tuning School. Stick around. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully the camera looks better. It's kind of acting up. I don't know. Maybe my computer's having issues, but nonetheless, we are talking about the newest stuff that's going on over at ETS, as I like to call it, our Elite Tune School. As you guys, most of you probably know, we are now working together, and I wanted to clue you guys into specifically the GM Gen 5 Tuning Masterclass. This is live. This is an in-person class happening in Indianapolis, Indiana, May 11th and 12th. It's on a weekend. Listen, I'm going to it. So if you're interested in learning more about 5th Gen tuning, not Global B, in case anybody's wondering, Global B is a completely different thing. We'll be talking more about that in the coming weeks, in fact. But Gen 5. Gen 5 is going to be a lot of stuff around Virtual Torque. Virtual Torque was what became prominent on Gen 5. Don't forget that any of these classes, let's see here, the Introduction HB Tuners, the Ford Elite Pro Bundle, GM Elite Pro Bundle, Advanced Diagnostics, which we're going to be doing a video on shortly, Gen 3, Gen 4, all that stuff. Use the code GOATROPE, save yourself 10%. Listen, I'm going to plaster it all over the place. You're going to see it. Make sure you're using the code to save a little money. But let's talk a little bit more about the in-person class and what you get as part of going to this class. Not only is it 2 days of intense Gen 5 tuning training, learning how to tune. Did I say it was in person? It is in person. You're also going to get a couple weeks of support. So we're looking at 3 weeks of follow-up virtual learning. Week 1, fuel concepts. Week 2, spark concepts. Week 3, airflow concepts. This is on top of the 2-day course, which, hey, lunch will be provided. Can't complain about that. Then on top of that, there's also going to be a weekly question and answer session live via Zoom with Mike and or Brandon. Brandon most likely will be the one on there. I may be in some of those. Come talk to you about that stuff. Now, this is maybe the last one of the year, so you're not going to want to miss out. There's only 15 seats available. It starts at $14.95, or you can do the payment plan, which is going to be 3 months at $5.95, unless you use that code GOATROPE, save a little money, but it will apply to both. On top of that, there is some other courses coming on. So let's say that you're a little bit more hardcore. Let me open this up. There is a UNOH course that is getting ready to sign up. Let's go over here. Oh, it's missing W. www.unohets.com. There we go. So this is a legitimate 6-week long HPT master course for everything. It's going to be 2 live weeks with Mike and Brandon. First week we're teaching at Ohio UNOH, then 4 weeks of online content with Q&A each week. So there's 5 weeks, and then an additional full week with Mike and Brandon in Ohio at UNOH with dyno tuning and training. So you get that dyno tuning stuff on there. This is, as I said, very hardcore. If you're wanting to like open your own tuning shop, stuff like that, that's something that you'll want to check out. The big thing about it is if you go over here, listen, I'm in the way. You can't see because of me. Let me see if I can make myself disappear here. Whoop, there I am. You've got this interested in enrolling thing down here. Click on that, and that will get you a form that you can fill out. And by all means, put on there that you found out about it from Goat Rope Garage. But they will get in touch with you, walk you through what it takes to get set up if you are interested in the UNOH stuff. Once again, not for everybody, probably not for us shade tree mechanics out there. This is for the people that are wanting to get hardcore into becoming a professional tuner. So keep that in mind. The course is around $3,500, I believe $3,450. And I mean, what else can I say about it? There's 20 seats right now. They can get 20 more seats on that and set up 2 classes, but it's going to be a seat of 20. And listen, it's just the next level. As I said, if you're serious about tuning, if you want to invest in yourself as a tuner, check out the UNOH. It's worth the time. You've got guys over there that are, have 50 to 100 cars that they've already tuned, and they're learning tons from this. So even if you fancy yourself a tuner, kind of like I do, there's going to be stuff to learn. But that all being said, there's going to be stuff to learn here. Because of the Gen 5 Masterclass, we're talking LT4, LT1, L86, L83, L6, whatever it is, L66, whatever the new 6 point. There's stuff that you are going to learn from this that have not been touched on anywhere else. You'll have the opportunity to ask questions, and the follow-up alone is amazing. So if you're getting into 5th gen content, if you're getting into 5th gen vehicles, Camaros, Corvettes, Silverado, Sierras, etc., Escalades, I highly suggest checking this out. That's why I'm going to it. So once again, those are the big things. Granted, there's courses on everything else that you could possibly want. Global B is one that is coming. Hold your horses. We'll get there in a while. As I said, the GM Advanced Diagnostics course, we're going to go over that and talk about that one here soon. That's one of the ones I want to touch on. We've kind of touched on the EcoBoost. We'll touch on it a little bit more. Eventually, we'll get over to the S550 and take a look at what's going on with the S550s. And then I'm also going to jump into some transmission courses and show you guys some behind-the-scenes stuff. Specifically, I'm going to look at this Ford 10R80 because apparently that transmission's awesome, and I want to learn more about tuning this Ford 10R80. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure and subscribe so you don't miss out on this stuff. There's going to be plenty of content coming out. And as I said, keep your eyes peeled because this weekend we are installing the supercharger on the 23 Silverado. We are going to be diving into Global B. I've never tuned Global B. It is going to be tuning blank slate. We're going to see if we can work our ways through it. And then maybe down the road, we'll get a new ETS school that we can go through and actually learn some stuff that we didn't find along the way that makes our tune even better. But I think we can at least get it run down the road, making power and be safe. That's the main thing that I want people to take away from it is learning how to tune safely. So if you got any questions up, hit up the comments, jump over to ETS, check everything out that they have. And don't forget, use the code GOATROPE. It's down in the description, and I probably flashed it on the screen at least 20 times by this point in time. Save yourself some money, learn some tuning, and listen, I love these guys. I love their courses. That's why I partnered with them. I've been looking for somebody that's been providing good courses like this, and we finally have somebody that I can refer you guys to that I have faith that you're getting your money's worth. Unlike a lot of the books and videos out there that people are charging money for, that you're not getting your money's worth. This group, you get your money's worth. Their interaction is going to be great. I hope to see you at Indianapolis. I'm going to be doing some filming while I'm there because the facility's kind of cool. I don't know. There's pictures on here somewhere. Let me see if I can go back to boop, 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 boop. So many courses. Okay, let's go down here. Look at this facility. There's a dyno there. I don't know if we're going to get to spend much time on the dyno, making adjustments and seeing how the adjustments play out, but this is where the class is at. Some of you might recognize it. You sign up, you get directions to this super secret place that we get to go take this tuning training, and maybe we get to spend some time on the dyno. Who knows? Maybe I can convince him to bring my truck in and put it on the dyno and see what the supercharger puts down. I don't know. Could be cool. But if you have any questions, hit up the comments down below. And you guys know the drill. Thanks for stopping by the garage. Remember, ABT, always be tuning. Always be tuning.